Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. On va prendre un breakfast. On va faire bien même. On va faire tout dit avec l'eau. Ouais, nous tous nous parce qu'arrivé dans Puerto Rico. Maybe I will feel better. But quand on va faire bien même. You're too close. On va faire bien même. Maybe then we even in Puerto Rico and got some pialas, but couldn't have my pointy breakfast. Oh, I have something cassotti, but yeah, I have to. I love if I'm warm. Alright, guys, see you guys later. Now it's all.
I asked you a question.
Look at free high school lunch. Look at free high school lunch. Mine? What about mine? Okay. Okay, thank you.
Let's go, guys.
You didn't say powder. Go that way.
I will.
That's why again, like I see get Wi-Fi when I see on different. I get Wi-Fi number again, calling, free texting. So we go get a people in Miami. Oh? So we go get a people in Miami. Where am I get Walgreens? Aqui vem cá no escala. Escala. Ok? the tour. No, the tour. The tour. The tour, the trip. Yes.
Private taxi.
Go guys. Yo voy a buscar esa.
Remember, you gotta take 2 kids on the lap, okay?
All right.
Perfect. Okay, guys, listen. There's a family, about 8 or 9, that will be here in 2 minutes. They're walking. When they come, ready to go, okay? Tenemos una familia de 8 meses más que vienen también.
Baby, ¿puedo hablar?
Okay,
Huh?
¿Usted habla?
You wanna sit down? You can sit down.
¿Cómo es cara su?
Just whatever each
Do you want us to change seats? Are you guys all sitting together?
Yes.
like
Thank you.
so let's say like West Michigan had like 10,
We're gonna move over there.
whatever the actual ones in there are, those are the right ones. So like if it says like they have
Get up, get up, get up.
like same whatever and whatever, like those are the real ones and whatever. Okay.
Estamos en una bosta, no. Una bosta coña.
Speaks English?
Yes.
English and Spanish?
Yes.
Vamos a aprender hoy español e inglés, los dos idiomas. For crying out loud. Oh my God. Thank you, thank you. Okay, my friend, how are you today? Bienvenido a Puerto Rico, USA. My name is Walter, mi nombre es Walter. Born and raised in New York City. I learned how to drive in New York, so have no fear. Walter's here. Aprendí a guiar, como decimos en español, en los Nueva Yorkes. So, what do you guys know about Puerto Rico? ¿Qué conocen de Puerto Rico ustedes?
Nada.
Nada. Te escuché en mi viejo San Juan. ¿Cuántos años por ahí? ¿Ah? Esa cancioncita, ¿no se la saben?
Sí.
Ah, pues mira qué bien, es una canción preciosa. My friend, real quickly, you guys know nothing about Puerto Rico?
No.
That means I got a lot of explaining to do. Eso significa que tengo que explicarles mucho, ¿verdad que sí?
Sí.
Para que puedan conocer un poquito de Puerto Rico. Bueno, let me start by saying that it's a U.S. territory. You know that, right?
Yes.
Es un territorio americano. It all started right after the Spanish-American War. The Americans winning that battle in the year 1898, and Puerto Rico automatically became a U.S. territory. So politically speaking, and relations with the United States, this is what all started, my friend, 120 years ago. Aquí, Puerto Rico es un territorio americano desde el 1898, cuando los americanos ganaron la guerra hispanoamericana. So, llevamos como territorio más de 120 años. My friend, in 1917, we became U.S. citizen. It's when Puerto Ricans started to participate in the war with the United States and also emigrate to the United States looking for a better quality of life and jobs opportunity. Back in those days, New York City was in the map. That's why today, New York is Puerto Rico capital city, ladies and gentlemen. Aquí en el 1917 nos convertimos en ciudadanos americanos. Por lo tanto, inmediatamente estuvimos participando en la guerra junto con los americanos y también empezamos a emigrar a los Estados Unidos buscando una mejor calidad de vida. La verdad del caso es que todo el mundo se enfocaba hacia Nueva York y hoy por hoy Nueva York es la capital de Puerto Rico, porque hay demasiado de muchos puertorriqueños. The ugliest building in town, that's the IRS department, ladies and gentlemen. Departamento de Hacienda es el edificio más feo en San Juan. Hay que pagar los impuestos. We gotta pay our taxes. Depending on our income, the Puerto Rico income tax starts on a 24% all the way to a 36%. On top of that, we pay property tax, we pay 11.5% of sales tax, and a gallon of milk is $6. Aquí pagamos unos impuestos bastante altos, comenzando desde un 26% hasta un 38%, dependiendo de nuestros ingresos, pero también pagamos impuestos sobre la propiedad y impuestos sobre la venta, que es el 11.5, como quiera que sea. So, dejándoles saber que un galón de leche vale $6, para que tengan una pequeña idea. Over here on your left, my friend, reminds me a little bit of the Washington, D.C. Memorial. The police monument. In a smaller scale, of course, there's only 11,000 policías en Puerto Rico. Solamente hay 11,000 policías en Puerto Rico. Es el monumento de la policía. 11,000 policías en Puerto Rico solamente. Over here on the left, we also have the Holocaust Memorial. A reminder of that big episode with Hitler, 6 million plus Jewish, letting you know that Puerto Rico is the home of one of the largest and most important Jewish community in the Caribbean. Aquí el monumento del Holocausto, recordando esos tiempos de Hitler, sobre 6 millones de víctimas, por decirlo de esa manera. La realidad del caso es que aquí en Puerto Rico tenemos una gran cantidad de judíos. En Puerto Rico, de las familias grandes y más adineradas en el Caribe, que están aquí en Puerto Rico. This is where we celebrate Memorial Day and Veterans Day. Aquí es donde se celebra el Día de la Recordación y el Día del Veterano. But my friend, if you ask me about Puerto Ricans, I gotta go ahead and say Puerto Ricans is a mixture of 3 different cultures. Spanish, Africans, and Indians. There it is on your left. Spanish, Africans, and Indians. It all started with the Indians thousands of years ago. But on the other hand, they say that Columbus discovered the island. Which one is it? The Indians or Columbus? Well, Columbus was actually financed. His trip was financed by the King and Queen of Spain back in those days. Aquí dejándoles saber que si ustedes me preguntan a mí, aquí a mano izquierda hay 3 estatuas. Que los puertorriqueños somos una mezcla de 3 culturas: la africana, la indígena y la española. Pero ciertamente ustedes saben que todo comenzó con los indígenas al principio, los arcaicos, los Eateries y los taínos. Any questions so far? Any questions? Preguntas? Questions? No questions yet? So far so good? Am I talking too much? You know, I got a wife back home. For some reason she thinks that I talk too much. That's her problem, right? Okay, let's put it together. Puerto Rico es una pequeña isla de 100 millas de largo con 39 millas de norte a sur. Puerto Rico, my friend, is only 100 miles long and 39 miles from north to south. 3 million people and 2 million cars.
Wow.
68% of Puerto Rico's mountains, nearly up to 4,300 feet high above sea level. And 68% of the population are Catholics, ladies and gentlemen. Aquí el 68% de la población son católicos y el 68% de Puerto Rico es montaña, hasta 4,300 pies sobre el nivel del mar. Some of you guys remember the Flying Nun with Sally Field.
Right.
Over here on the left, they did a couple of filmings of the Flying Nun. This is the San Agustin Catholic Church and Catholic School. Aquí fue donde se firmó la monjita voladora. Aquí a mano izquierda, muchos de ustedes lo recuerdan para la década de los 60 con Sally Field. La iglesia fue construida en 1918 con un estilo gótico. The church right here, my friend, was built in 1918 with a Gothic architecture. That church is over 100 years old already. Look at the price for gasoline. That's 75 cents.
Oh, hey.
75 cents per liter. Gallon price, we pay a little bit over $3 because we have to pay tax for gasoline also. So we pay like $3.25, $3.30 a gallon. Aquí el precio de la gasolina 74.7, eso por litro. Aquí se paga como $3.25 el galón, $3.25 el galón. No nos olvidemos nunca que aquí se usa el dinero americano. So let's not forget, my friend, that here in Puerto Rico we use the US dollars for over 100 years. For over 100 years we've been using the greens.
En Chile un litro de gasolina cuesta $1.50.
$1.50, acá para allá.
Un litro.
Un litro. Y 4 litros hace el galón. My friend, over here on the left, the U.S. Navy radio station. Today this place is an orphanage. Has nothing to do with military anymore. But yes, and some time ago, Puerto Rico was surrounded by military bases. Surrounded in the entire meaning of the word. But just because it became a political situation in the year 2000, they started packing their bags and moving outside of Puerto Rico, my friend. Aquí, Puerto Rico en un tiempo atrás estaba rodeado de bases militares, pero por una protesta que hubo para los años 2000, recogieron sus motetes y se fueron. Lo que queda es una sola base militar en Puerto Rico. A little bit forward to your right, living la vida loca with Ricky Martin. He has an apartment in there. They call it the Millennium with an Art Deco architecture. Built in 1999, $500,000 is the starting price. You get apartments in there over $1 million, but the next thing you gotta ask yourself is, who can afford it if more than half of the population is poor? Pues aquí, en ese edificio que están ahí, esos apartamentos son bien costosos. Ricky Martin tiene su apartamentito ahí, que todo el mundo lo conoce. Y pues obviamente los precios comienzan en $500,000, pero lo puede conseguir que sobrepasa el millón también, que quede bien claro. Don't be surprised, ladies and gentlemen, if you see Sizzler. Don't be surprised if you see the Olive Garden, Longhorn. There's the Hyatt House, the Hyatt Place, the Sheraton Convention Center. This place is fully loaded. Centro Convenciones, restaurantes americanos. We're entering the new San Juan, the most populated city of Puerto Rico. 500,000 people, half a million people is the population of San Juan. Aquí la ciudad de San Juan es la ciudad más poblada, 500,000 de habitantes tiene la ciudad de San Juan. Los apartamentos comienzan en los $200,000 y sobrepasan el millón. Apartments over here, my friend, starts in the 200s and surpasses the $1 million. The closer to the water, the more expensive it is. So these apartments right here in front, real close to the lagoon, they don't come cheap. We'll be making our first stop very shortly. Restrooms are going to be available and we'll be facing the Atlantic Ocean. Vamos a estar haciendo nuestra primera parada, ahí en fotografía, pero vamos a estar mirando hacia el Océano Atlántico y Los baños van a estar disponibles. My friend, as soon as I make this left turn, we'll be entering El Condado. And Condado in English means county. The county of San Juan. Tan pronto yo entré, aquí a mano izquierda vamos a estar entrando hacia una pequeña comunidad conocida como El Condado. Esta comunidad comenzó su desarrollo para la década de los 20, cuando familias adineradas entraron aquí a desarrollarla. Hoy por hoy es una combinación de hoteles y restaurantes y obviamente residencias. My friend, as soon as I make this left turn, the Condado area, the development started somewhere around 1919 and in the decades of the 20s, when some of the wealthiest families in Puerto Rico came down into this area back in those days, developing it. Today is a combination of hotel and residential areas. Surrounded by hotels, restaurants, nightclub, walking distance to the beach, hospitals, expensive private schools. This place is fully loaded, kind of walking distance from everything. You can get apartments starting at the $350,000 all the way to a few million. The closer to the water, the more expensive it is. Aquí, esta pequeña comunidad realmente lo tiene todo, desde hospitales, oficinas de médico, hasta para el perro hay un hospitalcito para los animales. También tenemos ahí obviamente los restaurantes, casinos, de todo un poco para uno, incluyendo supermercados también. La realidad del caso es que esta área aquí comienza en los $350,000 y sobrepasa el millón. Mientras más cerca del agua, más costoso es los apartamentos. Este es el área del condado. My friend, remember when I told you back there 11,000 policías? You know that back in the 90s, we had 36,000? That means one thing and one thing only if we do the math, my friend. If we do the math, that means don't go out at night, period. No security at all. You got a flat, try not to have a flat while you're driving. Try not to. Because there's no security. Old San Juan and San Juan, there's a lot of security because this is a tourist area. But when I talk about this, I talk about the entire, as in general, Puerto Rico. Aquí les mencioné ahorita 11,000 policías. La verdad del caso es que para la década de los 90 habían 36,000 policías. La realidad del caso es que si me preguntan a mí, eso significa que no salgan de noche, porque realmente no hay mucha seguridad en la calle. Esa es la realidad. There's Walgreens, there's CVS, there's the ocean right there, there's Condom World, second biggest industry in Puerto Rico. Aquí Puerto Rico está bien americanizado, ¿sabes? Que quede claro, bien americanizado. The number one employer on the island, just for the record, is the government. And the second strong place, Walmart. Walmart is huge en Puerto Rico. Aquí el gobierno de Puerto Rico es el empleador número uno. Pero en un segundo lugar fuerte tenemos a la cadena americana Walmart. This is La Concha Hotel. This is a 4-star hotel right over here, my friend. Privately owned in these days. John Poulsen is his name. Un hotel 4 estrellas, este frente es nuevo, ¿verdad? Pero la construcción original de este hotel fue en 1928. The original construction of this hotel was back in 1928, my friend. Sometimes. Boutique stores all over the place. Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Cartier. You name it, we got it. The Vanderbilt Hotel, originally owned by the Vanderbilt families, 1919. Policia in action, there he is. Running away from the heat. I don't blame them. 5-star hotel, the Vanderbilt, also owned by John Poulsen. Grab the opportunity so you guys can go ahead and take some pictures, my friend. On the left, you're going to be facing the Condado Lagoon, and on the right hand side, you're going to be facing the Atlantic Ocean. In case you guys need like a bottle of water, Coca-Cola, soda, or any kind of refreshment, maybe use the restroom. The time is right. Right behind the bushes, there's a small souvenir store. I'll give you guys 15 minutes in this area. Don't go swimming. There's sharks in the water. Aquí, si quieren ir al baño, aprovechen. Hay una tiendita souvenir justamente detrás de los arbustos allí. Hay una tiendita allí, so aprovechen 15 minutitos en esta área. Watch your steps on your way down, my friend.
That one dead sober. One gets out ready to die here.
A big group of Puerto Ricans decided to getting paid your overtime for more than a few good years. As a matter of fact, a new governor comes in and still hasn't paid the overtime.
I want to buy the water first. I don't know what they said the water is. Excuse me. Hello?
Hello, what can I buy the water?
So that is one store. This.
Oh, go straight down?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Go in the front. ¿Te va lá?
One up, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Let's go. We gotta walk fast. Puerto Rico. Look where you going, Kyle. Come. Who's that? Una Puerto Rico, the premier stop. First stop.
My friend, on your right-hand side, we got the Third Millennium Park. This is where they actually played the Pan American game in 1979. Aquí en Parque Tercer Milenio, aquí fue donde se jugó los Juegos Panamericanos 1979. Here we play baseball, basketball, we play soccer, we play a little golf. Our Tiger Woods' name is Chichi Rodriguez, just for the record. And the #1 sports in Puerto Rico is cockfights. Chicken fights is the #1 sports in Puerto Rico. By the way, the United States government made it illegal less than a year ago. Aquí en Puerto Rico jugamos la pelota, ¿verdad? El baloncesto, jugamos el soccer, que lo hacen también como el fútbol, pero el deporte número 1 es la pelea de gallos. En Estados Unidos lo hicieron ilegal menos de un año atrás. And speaking of chicken, there it is, the KFC. I mean, all the losers goes in there. You end up eating it anyway. You know what I'm saying? I mean, just grab it by the neck and just tell him supper time, boy, you know? And there's your supper right there. But there's the KFC. We got Popeyes in Puerto Rico as well. There's fast foods all over the place. As a matter of fact, over 300 McDonald's competing with the Wendy's, Subway, Burger King. A lot of fast foods in Puerto Rico. Looks like the new generation don't like to cook anymore. Rice and beans is disappearing by the minute. Aquí la comida rápida hoy por hoy se ha hecho bien famoso, ¿verdad? Porque la gente no le gusta cocinar, especialmente la nueva generación no le gusta cocinar mucho. El arroz con habichuelas se está desapareciendo. Capitol building in Puerto Rico on the left. Este es el Capitolio, muchos le conocen como el Parlamento. Built in 1929, it's 100% marble. And all the marble from the outside of this building is from the state of Georgia. And inside we got marble from Alabama, we got marble from Tennessee, some marble from Spain, and the majority is from Italy. Este es el Capitolio de Puerto Rico, ¿verdad? Y es 100% mármol. Tenemos mármol de Estados Unidos, pero también tenemos mármol de España y la gran mayoría es de Italia. Un estilo neoclásico y españolito. 78 congresistas, 78 legisladores dentro de ese edificio. There's 78 congressmen total inside that building, my friend. 78 congressmen. And on the other side of the road, giving us the Puerto Rican salute, that's the statue of John the Baptist. La estatua de San Juan Bautista. El santo patronal de los mares, el santo patronal de la ciudad de San Juan. And some time ago, the largest fort in the Caribbean, Castillo San Cristóbal, el más grande en el Caribe de Puerto Rico, Caribe, 27 acres de terreno, 27 acres, 150 feet above sea level. All handmade, ladies and gentlemen. They started the construction in 1632, finishing it in 1778. That's nearly 150 years in construction. Comenzó su construcción en 1638, terminando en 1778. Today administrated by National Park Services.
Esta sí. Era para español. Oh, you wanna like?
Whoever wants to go inside the fort, my friend, I strongly recommend a 45 minutes inside the fort. Is strongly recommended.
It's close. It's so close. It's very close to ship.
There it is, my friend. This fort that you see, and some time ago, extended all the way up to here where we are. Este fuerte se extendía hasta aquí donde estamos. But in some time ago, the Americans decided to destroy part of the fortifications to bring up modern building. They needed a casino. This on the left was the first casino in Puerto Rico in the year 1905. Aquí a mano izquierda el primer casino en Puerto Rico, 1905. Pero nada de esos edificios estaban aquí, todo era parte del fuerte San Cristóbal. Y aquí de frente tenemos la Casa Olímpica. The former YMCA building on the left, the Olympic House. All these are government properties. If you guys are familiar with Andrew Carnegie, he donated $100,000 in the very early 20th century to bring up this library on the left. This is the library, the Carnegie Library. Esto es una librería aquí, ¿verdad? Una biblioteca. donde esta persona famosa de los Estados Unidos, pues él era irlandés.
Stop descend encore là, c'est un deuxième stop.
Watch the steps over here, be careful.
Alright, thank you.
Watch the steps here.
Okay. You stopping? Huh? Stop it, where you?
No, not yet.
Wave up, bring them to the camera.
Huh? Come, Carla.
Oh, Daddy, stop. Carla, hey. No, baby.
Check it out, please. I'll try for you.
No.
I'll try for you.
Pese baga la mun na bin na wala flan ke ma bo pala mun na non like lo tout moun attend ça là.
Yeah.
Vous voyez comme ça?
On connaît qui ça.
Oh, OK. Moi pese en bagage, me dit ka
Oh, caméra téléphone.
On fait photo, mais on va faire photo.
Ouais. On est là, c'est
Hein?
On va monter encore.
On va faire photo. Là, on fait photo. Bagage moun na
Hein? Ah, si je vais te mourir. Ok, bon, faire photo.
Go over there. Go. Hey, Miss Carla. Put your hand inside your pocket, then. Go. See, Carla, look at Daddy.
I spell Puerto Rico. C'est pas P-O.
No, P-U-E-R.
I think it's Puerto Rico. I'm gonna
Regarde, mon je vais aller en remettre. Vous avez fait photo?
Yeah.
Vous êtes où? Hello. That's rocking. Thank you.
The basket 10 and
Baby, where you going? This thing right here. Huh? Yeah, but I'm off, fella. He's there. 9:30. Okay, y'all going over there. They're gonna make. That's our birthday, okay? I'm gonna say that's your birthday.
Voilà, au café pour te botter.
Huh? Yeah, follow guys. font une vidéo? No. Moun yo a rentré la konya. We about to leave. Yo bagal neve nou pou rentre nan bot la. Getan 8h30 nou an le a konya nou chita. Ti moun yo vle ay nan water slide, water park, tout ça, but it's too late. Look at that old man. Real. Yes, I'm a madam. Like you can't be me madam. That's a woman or? Yeah, that's so sweet. Baby, you got over, guys. Come. Hurry up. Got a video of where? Got a photo of my mother.
What's that? Muna ka pa siya ba?
Yeah.
Payo.
I know, but that's me and you. That's gonna be me and you.
Show me something. You do it, I'm gonna.
Quer ver? Papai, baby.
Huh?
Pai me perguntou.
Come here. This car pick who put in there? Why you got it?
What, man?
Where my book?
I have it.
That look. Mommy, I wanted my name to be. I wanted my name to be a king.